Hey folks, Darren Plumb here, your realtor with RE/MAX Hallmark York Group, and I am coming to you today from alongside one of Stouffville's many gorgeous walking trails, as well as I'm actually just adjacent to the Stouffville Dog Park. And what I wanted to talk to you today about was what's going on in real estate. There's a lot of news in the media about, is there gold fever going on? Is there, is the sky falling? What's actually happening right now? So I put together some stats for the town of Stouffville, which I think you're going to find interesting. And what I'd like to present to you is I'll just present these stats to you and let you see for yourself. I mean, at the end of the day, the numbers don't lie. And I'd like to leave you with an invitation as well. So I just want to, as a quick disclaimer, say initially that the numbers I am going to share here are across all home types. So they include semis, towns, links, detached, condos, everything. So of course, as we drill deeper into, say, your specific home type, those figures could change. So here we are. So current market stats for average sale price in Stouffville is $1,260,000. Now, if we go back 30 days, we were looking at $1,205,000, and if we go back 60 days, that puts the average sale price actually at $1,160,000. Now, something interesting I'm going to share with you also is go back to spring of 2013, which we know was an absolute buyer's market. And that is something that I think there's been a lot of news in the media about is, are we headed back to a buyer's market? So if we go back to April 2013, so we go back 4 years, and we look at what the average sale price of a home was here in Stouffville, $624,000. So pretty big difference, right? Now, number of homes sold currently in Stouffville was 91 for the past month. If we go back 30 days, 98 homes sold in that 38 period. And if we go back 60 days, 51 homes were sold. So that puts us back into February numbers. Now, if we go back again 4 years, 89 homes sold in the town of Stouffville. Months of inventory currently in Stouffville, there's 1.1 months of inventory. If we go back 30 days, we're looking at 1 month of inventory, which was available in Stouffville. And months of inventory basically says that in the current rate of consumption, so the current rate of buying at which homes are being purchased at, that if no homes were to further come on the market after today, for instance, we would have 1.1 months left. So if we go back 60 days in Stouffville, we were at a month of inventory. Now, here's one that I think you're going to find really interesting. If we go back to spring 2013, in Stouffville, we had 3.7 months of inventory on the market. So again, the numbers don't lie. So when I look at that number, I think, okay, we knew 2013 was an absolute full-blown buyer's market. We're at 1.1 months of inventory currently, whereas prior, 4 years ago, we had 3.7. In my mind, we got a long ways to go back into a full-on buyer's market. Days on market currently in Stouffville is 17, so that's the average selling time. Whereas 30 days ago it was 10, and we were actually, 60 days ago, we were at 11 days on market. Back 4 years ago, in springtime in Stouffville, we were at 33 days average selling time. So again, average is average, so you have some more, some less. So again, we're still well under that, in fact, about half, right? Sale price to list price ratio currently in Stouffville is 106%. And 30 days ago, we were at 110% of asking price. So of course, 10% over asking. And 60 days ago in Stouffville, we were at 110 as well. Now, if we go back 4 years ago into spring, we were at 97% of asking price. So just under. Sales to new listings ratio. This is one I really find interesting because this really can define whether it's a buyer's market or seller's market. And if you've been following my videos over the last number of months, you'll see, you'll recall that the sale to new listings ratio is approximately in the 70s in that area, right? Which does indicate a seller's market. So sales to new listings ratio, just to recap, is it's out of all the listings that come on the market each month, how many of them are actually selling? So currently in Stouffville, 68% is our sales to new listings ratio. 30 days ago, we were at 73.6 and 74% 60 days ago. Now again, if we go back to that 4-year period ago, 47% of the listings that were on the market each month were actually selling. So again, judging by these numbers, I think we got a little ways to go to get back into that full-blown buyer's market. New listings in Stouffville. So this is the number of new listings that came on the market during the past month. So we would have been talking April, 215. Compared to 30 days prior, we were at 161 new listings and 82 60 days prior. Now, when you look at, again, April 2013, 182 homes came on the market that month. So not dissimilar to the numbers that we're seeing currently in Stouffville, right? Now, active listings are the number of listings that are remaining at the end of the month after everything has been sold. So currently in Stouffville, 158 listings hanging around. 30 days ago, we were at 91. And 60 days ago, we were at 53. April 2013, 248 active listings hanging around at the end of the month. So, you know, folks, so there's all my stats right there. And so I think, you know, are we in a buyer's market? Are we in a seller's market? I mean, I think the numbers overall are still trending in the upward direction. I think we are still in a seller's market. I think before we go to a full-blown buyer's market, I think we have a little bit of ways to go. So I think there's good opportunities out there right now for buyers. I think there's good opportunities out there for sellers. So I would say definitely consult your real estate professional on the best plan that works for yourself and for your family. So I said I was going to leave you with an invite. So there's two things I wanted to do today. I wanted to leave you with some figures, maybe get you thinking, and I wanted to leave you with an invite. If you have a question about anything that we've talked about here, anything I've shared, if you want to know, you know, where your home would be best priced in this market, if you want to talk about buying a home, if you just want to talk about the market and wonder what's going on, you just want some more definition around that, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to grab a coffee with you. If you are in Stouffville, we have some great coffee shops we can go to. My number directly, 905-251-7852. And as always, no pressure, no obligation. And if you would like, you know, a free home evaluation on your place, again, no pressure, no obligation, please feel free to reach out at any time. And you can always check me out on www.stouffville.tv. Appreciate you watching. Like and share this video with your friends, family, coworkers, anyone that you know may benefit from it. Any questions, please don't hesitate. Take care. Have a great day.